Yay! Oh, that is great.
Because they're marshmallows. Oh, look at that. What's it doing? Is it going to take over the microwave? Okay. Stay with Margo.
Wow, that is the biggest marshmallow I've seen!
Is that the biggest marshmallow you've seen?
Yeah!
Okay, stand back. This one here will be
It's going to be really hot.
Whoa! It's smooth!
So it's mostly the air expanding?
Philip better be.
I don't see anything. Oh, I see down at the bottom it's starting to leak. Whoa!
Whoa! It is exploding!
It's growing.
No! Stop it now! Stop it! Stop it!
Penny, was your hypothesis correct?
Stop it now!
It's still going.
It looked like a slug in there.
It looks like giant popcorn! We should put popcorn in and see what that does.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh yeah.
I was gonna.
Oh, Philip, you're
Missed it 'cause I was doing Margo.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's awesome. All right, Jeff, you ready?